Nobody teaches a man how to cry. Once they give birth to a man, the first sound a man makes is to cry. Every human being, the first sound we make once they give birth to us is to cry. Nah, nah. No one teaches us how to cry. So it is inhumanity to tell a man not to cry. Many of you are the reason why men are dying in numbers, because you are teaching them to go against their nature. You tell a man not to cry. Many men now bottle up. They die in silence. They die of depression. They die of unforgiveness, because there's this thing about tears and cry that helps a man live long. When a man cries, a man releases unforgiveness. Each drop releases unforgiveness, sadness, betrayal. The more a man cries, pain goes. If you have observed, anytime you cry, you feel relieved. You cry, yeah, yeah. This guy will care. It's as if some kind of load was relieved or was taken away from you. There is a mystery of tears or crying that most people have not understood. So anytime you tell a man not to cry, you are telling a man to go against his very nature, because crying is part of a man's life. It is the first sound a man makes whenever they give birth to a man. So it is inhuman to tell a man, don't cry. That's why we have a lot of angry men roaming the street. Criminals, because when a man bottles up tears, a man bottles up anger. And the more he keeps bottling up that tears, the more he bottles up anger. When small thing you do to him, you will express that anger in such a manner that it will be disastrous. And then you say, this man have anger issue. If you check the root cause of anger issue is bottled up tears. A tear that a man should have cried to relieve himself. You teach him not to cry. So he keep bottling it up. That's why any man that comes from abusive home is always abusive, because the time the man should have used to cry, the father will tell him, if you cry, I will kill you. If you cry, I will kill you. Men don't cry. This, that, that, don't cry. So the young man keep bottling up anger and tears, keep bottling it up, and then these tears can metamorphose into anger, toxicity, a lot of negative energy. It will metamorphose into it. Then you are wondering what is the problem. Allow men to cry. Teach your young men to cry. Teach your boys to cry. Teach your sons to cry. It will help them live long. Tears has a way of taking away burden. Even Christ wept. Hey, some of you don't understand. Even Christ wept. The Savior of the world wept. Muhammad wept. There's no human being that did not cry. So if you're teaching men not to cry, you are teaching men to go against their very nature.